Okay, may limit yan. At ang general rule is, ang prescriptive period is 3 years from the date of the deadline of the filing of the tax return or the actual date of the filing of the tax return, whichever comes later.
I respectfully disagree dito sa sinabi ni Sir sa kanyang video. Okay? Magkaiba po, unang-una, magkaiba po ang tax audit sa BIR tax assessment. Ang tax audit po, through issuance of letter of authority, dun siya magsisimula. So, malalaman mo na may tax audit ka kapag may na-receive yung company nyo na letter of authority or LOA. After mag-audit ng BIR examiners, doon kanila mabibigyan ng tax assessment. So, papasok pa lang si tax assessment pagkatapos ni tax audit. Okay? At ang tax assessment natin ay magsisimula through notice of discrepancy, preliminary assessment notice, final assessment notice, final decision on disputed assessment or FDDA. Okay? Yung sinasabi dito ni Sir na may prescription, yun ay para lang sa tax assessment at hindi sa tax audit. Okay?